We should build something that the city has not witnessed. Gigantic, huge chocolate tree that's 18 feet in height and has used 300 kilos of chocolate here.
Well, the day has gone brilliantly well. With you can see the Christmas tree behind me. It's 18 feet tall, 400 kilos of mass, and 320 kilos of chocolate being used in-house, organic, by our team. This beckons the opening of ceremonies for this festive season, and Sayaji, being the part of the heritage of Indore, has decided to open its doors to the festivities and to locals to come over and give it back to the community. As we go forward, on 24th, we would take the festivities to the next level with our signature intervention for the city, which is Buggy Ride, wherein we'll bring Santa Claus as well as Christmas to the streets of Indore, followed by Christmas brunch, and then our own signature New Year's Eve events. So welcome all in all to Sayaji Indore, and may these festivities bring lots of happiness and prosperity.